just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper.
Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all safe. So today we are for another video. You can see there are two beautiful helmets in front of me. This is made from Italy, and well, look at this guys, look at the design. It looks fabulous and it weighs just 1280 grams only. So lightweight, carbon fiber. It looks amazing, sweet. Trust me guys. So my friend, you know, Mr. Jittu, he has gone ahead and purchased this beauty. So you can see him in the coming days. There will be some rides coming. And one more information to let you know that there is going to be a rule that for imported helmets, you should have the weight around 1200. When we compare with the AGV Pista GPR, this is more economical. So that is what we found out, and trust me guys, I love the design, and just I think you would have seen the close-up shots that we took, and for more details I would request Mr. Jagan to come up over here. He will come and explain it right now.
Cabag is from Italy. So this model is actually designed in Italy, okay. And the manufacturing is in China.
Okay.
So it's not only in Cabag, even if you take MT or AGV or any brand, they will be not telling you that this is a manufacturing in China or that. So to be frank, I can tell you that. Every model, most of the model, you can see what are the helmet brand available in India. Most of the model designed in that one country.
Okay.
But the manufacturing will be in China.
Okay.
So this is the fact actually. And when it comes to the Cabag, if you see, it's like something like a sports race type of helmet.
Yes.
So it has come along with the superior spoiler, which you can make stable in a high speed. Yeah. And also in terms of safety wise, nothing to compromise. Even you can compare to any brand carbon fiber, nothing to compromise.
Okay.
And most of the premium helmets in carbon fiber, if you are seeing, there will be no sun visor. For example, if you take an MT also, there will be no sun visor also. So one more feature when compared to the carbon fiber, at this economical price range around 28,000 with sun visor. This is the one more thing. And it has comes up with that Bluetooth compatible.
Okay.
Even Cabag also has the own device. It is called a Just GO.
Okay. Is it available here?
Right now it is not, but maybe we can expect in future.
Future.
Yeah. And in between you can fit Chana. Chana will fit perfectly on this.
On this.
So that is one thing. And the helmet cushioning, it comes up with that antibacterial padding. So you can avoid the skin irritation and all. And apart from that, the stick, chin curtain.
Okay. So the chin, you get the chin guard.
Yeah. But don't neglect it. This is one of the important
things. Yeah. Guys, so Jagan was telling an incident where certain people feel that irritation when the chin guard is there. So what happened is Jagan, he was telling his experience when he was going on bike. He used to feel that irritation, so he removed the chin guard. So and one day when he was riding the bike, suddenly a fly flew into it, insect, and it was disturbing his view. So your eyes definitely will start concentrating there.
The problem what happen is automatically our eyeball will be not concentrating on the road. It will be concentrating on the flies, that insect. So it will be rolling on your. So always use the chin curtain, so don't neglect that.
Yes guys, so make sure that you use that. See, even I'll tell you, even my experience, I have sold. The sold helmet has a chin guard, but when it comes to LS2, the LS2 does not have a chin guard. So on a long ride or on an open stretch, I never get a wind blast when I close my visor. It is very quiet. But on LS2, I always get a wind blast. it's coming from the under the chin. So chin guard is a very mandate thing. And if you guys are also purchasing any helmet, make sure you purchase a helmet with the chin guard. So that is very important. So in helmets there are many things that we need to learn. So yeah. So what else is there? Like we get 2 visors.
Yes. We get that clear visor by default, and another one is a smoke visor.
Smoke visor.
And 70-degree pin lock.
Pin lock. Okay.
Yeah. So those are the things.
Okay. The view will be very good.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the viewpoint of this visor is a ultra view wide port.
Okay.
So when we are comparing with particular brand, even if you can compare with the MP also, if you see particular brand, this viewport is a very good. Even this one more brand, Italian brand, Vemar was also there.
Okay.
Even Vemar is also very good in viewport.
Viewport. Okay.
Yeah. And apart from this,
This has a dual visor, right?
yes, it has a dual visor.
Okay.
Yeah. By default, it will come up with the dual.
Okay. So this is a black.
Black, yes.
Thin
by
viewport.
default. Yeah. And for the spares related to the cabin, maybe it's new to India, but most of them are thinking that we don't get a spare because the brand is new to India. Spartan Pro Gear is the authorized distributor for India for this cabin.
Cabin. Okay.
So anything related to the spares related to the cabin helmet, directly you can order it in online, SpartanProgear.com.
Yeah. So guys, I will leave the link in the description. Most of you from Chennai definitely know about Spartan Pro, and people now in Bangalore also, they are tied up with Moto Nation. You know that they are the main people who sell all these brands. And you only get this Caberg in Spartan Pro and Moto Nation, or do we get it somewhere else also?
Yes, we can get it Caberg online also. Spartan Pro Gear.
No, is it only with Spartan Pro? Is it exclusive with
exclusive with Spartan?
So guys, it is exclusive with these guys. So I will even share the link and the shop details, all link in the description. And anytime when you're going through HSR, say hi to Mr. Jagan. He's a very cool guy. Okay, come and meet him and say hi, and don't chuma come and say hi, come and purchase something also. Okay, and yeah, so guys, trust me, I love this helmet, and I was telling Jitu literally that this helmet is awesome. So let me know if you want me to get something like this. Comment in the comment section, and based on your comments, maybe I go ahead and purchase it. Let's see how it goes by. So rates, I'm not going to tell you the rates as of now. That you can visit the stores and you can see, maybe the rates keep differing based on certain festival and things like that. So come to the store, and if you want to check the price right now also, I'll give again link in the description. Go to their website and have it checked. So I just want to show you one more thing. Look at the vents that they have here in the back. I'm not sure if I showed you this, so that's why I'm showing you the vents over here. They have a vent on top, okay, and they have the vent in front. So I'll just show you the inside part also. You can just have a check. It looks spectacular, guys. I love it. I love it. And guys, this helmet is also used in Moto 2. So see, if they have to use it, that the quality and it is safety that is more important, right? So safety is very important while we all ride bikes. So guys, the main purpose is this is first lightweight, and it is very strong material. And when you're going for a long ride, for 500, let's say even 600 or 700 kilometers, this is always comfortable, right? So and Jagan, what is the warranty that comes by for this?
Yeah, the warranty for the helmet is 2 years.
Okay.
What covers in the warranty?
Okay.
First major thing is the manufacturing defect.
Okay.
So manufacturing defect, and apart from that, if you see that any natural shell cracking, it is not a physical damage. So most of them are what they are thinking is, if they are if the helmet falls down, or if they fall along with the helmet, they are thinking that it will come under the warranty. It is not like that. Physical damage will never come under the warranty. So this is the thing.
Okay.
And how to apply for that warranty is the customer care @ SpartanProgear.com.
Okay, guys, customer care @ SpartanPro.com. Progear.com. I will again mention over here. You can see that it will come.
So, but on that mail, you need to what the problem you are facing. You just take a snapshot of that helmet where the problem you are facing, attach that photo along with your purchase bill,
Okay.
and send the mail to them.
Okay.
So what trouble you are facing, send the mail to them. So from that pattern preview, you will be getting the response. If it is a working day, 1 or 2 days you will be immediately getting. If it is a non-working days, after that week stop, definitely you will be getting the response.
So guys, always keep in mind when you buy a particular product, any riding product, make sure you always keep the bill safe. We all have a habit of getting the bill and throwing it somewhere. Later when it comes, it's a big headache, right? Anyway, we are planning for a long ride in the coming days, so stay tuned. As I always say, ride safe, take care. God bless you.
Nice meeting you, Ronnie.
Thank you. Thank you, Jay.